How to log in Instagram account. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Instagram account. In order to log in into your Instagram account, for that you'll need to make sure that you already have an Instagram account or that you already have a profile. Now to begin with, go ahead and install or update your application. Once the application is completely updated or opened, click the open button and then you'll be taken to the interface something as sign up or create account. In my case, I have a multiple account, so you can see right on top these are all the saved info. Now in order to begin with logging in, click on switch account from the bottom, enter in the phone number or an email address or username and then a password to log in into your account. Here you could also link or continue with your Facebook account, and once you're done entering the information, click the login button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account successfully. However, if you're unable to log in or if your information seems to be incorrect, go ahead and tap on get login help, and this is gonna instruct you on how you can recover your account. So that's basically how you can log in into your Instagram account, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.